Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a full review of Dior's new Plan De Paris collection. I've got a look for you, I have swatches, and I'm going to give you my thoughts about this collection. Although this collection is beautiful, I do feel that even though Dior attempted to create a unique collection, they still remained in their comfort zone, given that the shades are shades that you probably already do have in your collection. Nonetheless, I do think the color stories are gorgeous. This collection has 4 different eyeshadows and all of them are stunning. I think 3 out of the 4 are more neutral type of shades, things that you would wear very easily on your eyes. And then you have that blue palette, which I think is unique and the most unique out of the bunch, and what I purchased and created a look with today. It also has 4 different nail polish shades and all of them are stunning. I really loved that purple type of shade. I was almost going to purchase it, but since the eyeshadow palette was out of stock when I went to place my order, I went ahead and went for the blue eyeshadow and of course purchased the blue nail polish as well, which I think goes perfectly with the palette itself. The Rouge Dior lipsticks are gorgeous. There's also 4 different shades as part of this Plan De Paris collection, and each one has the gorgeous motif that's imprinted on the lipstick itself. So stunning, but I chose to skip those because they are shades that I already have in my collection, and I really didn't think that it was worth it to pay that extra price tag for that motif. There's of course a limited edition Dior Addict lipstick case as part of this collection. Very pretty, but also something that I skipped because I already have so many of these and I didn't particularly love the Dior Addict lipstick as part of this collection. The star of these palettes are the pouches, and although nothing very special, they still are beautiful. They remind me of their Lady Dior bags, and it is quite a thick pouch, and this is the reason why this palette costs a little bit more. These do retail for $78 in the States, and usually the regular palettes retail between $68 to $70, so you are definitely paying extra for this case. So if you are a fan of Dior, you love fashion, and you love when fashion meets beauty, then this collection definitely is for you. And I know personally I really love this pouch. I think it is a nice touch. You can see the inspiration of this entire collection through these beautiful pouches. It is a map of Paris. It's all over the pouch itself. You can also see it engraved on the lipstick cases. This is so stunning, and I do wish that Dior does make these pouches again. Taking a look at the eyeshadow palette itself, this really is a stunning eyeshadow palette. For those of you that are intimidated by blue, I will show you how to utilize this eyeshadow palette and create a really simple, elegant look. The palette does remind me of the eyeshadow palette they created last year for the summer season, which I did not purchase, except this has more blue shades. So I do love the different shades of blue. I love the fact that they have a pink and a nice gold type of, or more like a sand gold type of shade. It is really pretty, and I love the satin type of texture to these eyeshadows. Such a beautiful palette. I purchased this gorgeous blue nail polish as part of the collection. I think it goes so well with the eyeshadow palette, and I love that periwinkle blue. I think it is gorgeous. I love the little specks of glitter in this nail polish. It really is a gorgeous summer shade, even though this collection is a fall collection, but I feel like it is perfect for the summer season. Now I'm going to show you how I got today's eye look using this palette. So when I first saw this palette, I just envisioned a layered type of eye look. I'm going to start with the number 24 brush by Dior. This is a flat-ended brush. This is perfect for creating kind of an eyeliner type of look, and I really want to start with this shade here. Start off on the outer corner of the eye, and yes, I am starting off at the bottom and just creating a flick, just a very gentle flick. And the reason to start at the bottom is to kind of go with my natural eye shape. Now I'm using this small-ended flat brush, grabbing some more of that blue shade and going in at the top and just connecting that line. This is really pretty navy blue. Like I said, it almost looks black. I'm going in with another brush. This one is a little bit softer, and it's going to really help me just blend and soften that shade. I am blending that navy at the bottom so that it's not as harsh. Now that I've lined my eye with the first navy shade, I'm going to pick this beautiful blue shade, and we are going to layer it next to the first shade. So just extending it also as a liner. And you can see how these shades really complement each other, and it's going to look so good when layered. And then again, mirroring what I am doing right up on top, right underneath. And just concentrating that shade right next to the first one. Next up we have the light blue. So I am going in and we are extending this into the inner corner, and I would have to say this blue is my favorite out of this entire palette. It's just such a gorgeous periwinkle blue shade. I'm going to extend this lighter blue right on top of the other two shades. And again, I am mirroring what I did up on top down below. These are all three of the blue shades swatched. As you can see, they are really stunning, very creamy. I love the sparkle that's in these shades, and I think they complement each other so well. Next, I'm picking up my Dior flat brush. This is in number 21, and I'm going into this pink shade, and we are going to extend this up on top, right at the outer corner. This is also such a stunning shade, and it looks so good with the blue. Next, I am picking up this middle shade, and this one is going to act as a highlighter. Gold and blue really mix so well together, and this shift is so pretty. And then I noticed a little bit of that blue is kind of gone by that shade, so I'm just going to pick up some more of that periwinkle blue shade. As these blues are the star of this entire palette. You can stop right there and just create a gorgeous blue liner with that beautiful shimmer on the eyelid. But I'm going to take it just a little bit further. I'm going to pick up the periwinkle blue. Not too much, so I just want to pat my finger in here. And then just do a waterfall effect. I don't want too much at all, just a tiny little bit. And here's the finished eye look with mascara. I think this looks so stunning. I love the way it frames the eyes, and the blue just looks absolutely gorgeous as an eyeliner, especially for those that don't particularly want a full-on blue eyeshadow type of look. This is perfect for you. For lips, I'm using this Rouge Dior in shade 434 Promenade. I think this would look perfect with this eye look, and the reason why I didn't purchase any of the lip shades because I felt that the brown shade kind of looked like this one. So there's a look with the lipstick. Now I feel like I need something a little bit extra on my cheeks. Today, all I really have is the Dior bronzer. This is from the summer collection, but I just feel like I need something a little bit extra. So I am going to use this Forever Glow by Dior. This one is in shade pink. And I just want just a little bit. And then I'm going to use a flat brush to blend that in. Okay, I think that really draws attention to that liner, and it gives a little bit of a glow to my cheeks. So that is the finished eye look. Let me know what you think about this entire collection down below in the comments section. Will you be purchasing anything? And if so, which palette are you going to choose? Even though this collection is beautiful, I love that they created nail polishes that go along with the eyeshadow palettes. I do think that you most likely have shades like this in your collection, and this collection can be easily passable. Although the blue eyeshadow palette is the most unique in this collection, I do think that most people will find that this is the least wearable eyeshadow palette, and for $78 you do want to be able to wear this time and time again. So definitely the other three eyeshadow palettes I think are more wearable. So if you want this collection or anything from this collection, especially the pouch, and you want something that's more wearable, I would definitely go with the other three shades. Any one of them, I think you can certainly do a beautiful look during the summertime, and you can wear them during the fall season. But if you do want something unique, especially if you want to create this type of eyeliner blue look, then this is the palette to go for. I really do love the look that I created today. Usually with blues, they tend to be patchy. With these blues, they are not patchy at all. They are very creamy. As you can see with the swatches, I had no issues at all, and they blend beautifully together. So patchiness wise, you will not see any kind of patchiness with these shades. It really is a gorgeous palette and very easy to work with. And that is it for my review today of Dior's new Plan De Paris collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you were interested in anything out of this collection, I hope this video made it easier for you. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. The fall season is almost upon us, and it is my favorite season of the year. I love the beauty products that usually come out in the fall, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to see all things fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.